I came here to see Dr. Kanchan in desperation because I had been diagnosed with severe osteoarthritis in my knees, and the consultant advised me to lose weight. At that time, I was pretty desperate because I couldn't walk. I needed to have complete rest. I remember reading an article on Define Aesthetics in the paper. Searching for the newspaper, I couldn't find it. By chance, I found it on internet. I came here to see Dr. Kanchan. I booked a 30 session package because I was so desperate to lose weight. I needed to lose weight. I needed to walk. The confirmation and the chat that I had with Dr. Kanchan assured me that it is possible, and I saw it as a last alternative to get back on my knees and start walking. I've been coming here for about nearly 2 months now. I have lost about 5.5 kilos. More than that, there's been a lot of inch loss, which I am extremely grateful. But I'm most grateful for the fact that I am now able to walk without a support stick that I had with me when I came in. My clothes that were redundant for a long time have now started fitting me, so I've got a whole new wardrobe. I'm looking forward to more weight loss, more inch loss, and the experience of coming here. The worst bit is the traveling time of half an hour, but once you reach here, the staff here are very pleasant, they're very helpful. They see to your needs, they are happy to adapt to your requirements, and the most important bit is they listen to you, and they take into account your fears, your inhibitions, whatever you have, and the whole experience here for me has been very pleasant. I've made a few new friends, and actually look forward. Um, and and because the weight loss and the inch loss has been so encouraging, it gives me the opportunity, or rather the pleasure of actually taking an interest in my diet, what I eat. Although I don't exercise much, the few 200, 300 meters walk that I have, I look forward to it. And I think the whole package through and through has been very interesting. It's been very, what can I say? It's been very pleasant. And the best bit, there's no worst bit. The best bit has been that I've been able to walk.